guys, welcome to the Warren Kitchen. So this is our next installment of Cooking with Jamie. So last week we took a look at taco bowls, and this week I am just in the mood for something colorful. So we're gonna take a minute to make a really good soup that we can munch on for the rest of the week that heats really well. So I got probably some different ingredients that may or may not be something that you've put in a soup before. We're gonna play around with some things and see what we think, and hopefully it's good. So hang with me. So where do you find your said recipes? You're like, okay, I want something to eat. I kind of think I want this. Where do you go? I don't know about you all, but I head over to Pinterest because the place is awesome. So I typed in hearty soups, walked over to our grocery store and was like, okay, I'm gonna get something good to eat here. So plugged it in, found something that I thought sounded a little bit different than what we normally eat here. We're gonna try some new stuff. We'll see how it goes over. So we'll see. So first things first, we're gonna chop up our vegetables. And I'm gonna say, please do not copy this because I'm hopefully not gonna lose a finger when I do this. If anybody wants to take time to teach me how to chop up some vegetables, I'll take your tips. So I don't know about you guys, but anytime I have an opportunity to have something already pre-chopped is going in the cart. So here's our butternut squash. So first things first, we found ourselves a big old pot. Everything's gonna go in here and cook all at once, and then we're gonna go grab our olive oil. But question for you, do you measure everything? So on this next ingredient, I'm gonna be honest, I had to Google it. I didn't know what it was. So found it. I don't even know how to say it. Pancetta, maybe? I found it over in kind of the special meat deli area. It was already diced. I'm sure you can probably get it not diced. I probably paid extra to get it diced, but that's okay. This particular recipe actually only calls for one of them, but you know, who does not love bacon? So I'm actually going to do two. So hang tight. So we're gonna set this on some medium-high heat and brown it up, and then we will add the veggies just per the recipe. Okay, we have gotten to where we have browned this up, and so now we're gonna add all of our diced veggies. I wish you all could smell this. Oh. recipe calls for a half a cup of wine. Okay, we're gonna put it in there. Going in the pot. Okay. That's what you call a full pot. Added the pasta in. We're just gonna let it cook down for a little bit, making our bread be ready to go. Oh, we got another one. So what do you need when you make a hearty soup? You need some garlic toast, people. Garlic toast. I'm just gonna say, this might be the hardest bread at the bakery that there was. Yeah, I'm probably gonna regret this, but I'm gonna use my hands. We're almost to the truth. We're getting there. Bowl of soup. We're gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese to it, because cheese is life.
That's lame.
Ethan said that was lame.
Why are you whispering?
I don't know why I'm whispering, but I am. We're just waiting on the bread. Once the bread's done, we'll have our final product.
Most important part.
Okay. Thomas, come. Let's see how this goes. It's hot, I'll tell you that.
I don't care enough to finish that homework.
She doesn't care about her homework, but this was pretty good. It's worth it.
We're eating.
Now we got the
something.
bread.
All right, so we all know that this is the true test
Yeah.
right here. Oh, Ethan's face. Oh, no, we're shaking our head.
It's pretty good.
Are you like, where's the bread?
Always.
Okay, friends, we're at the end of this. Finally, soup is kid thumbs up. Hubby will try it later today. I think it's pretty good. Bread turned out great. We just stuck it in the oven. I will put the recipe included in here. It's just with a little bit of olive oil, again, garlic on top of it. Cook it in the oven, 425. We did it for about 7 minutes. So we are going to enjoy our dinner. Thank you for joining us. If you try it, please leave a comment below and let us know. If you like this video, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Thank you guys.